Hello, today we're going to talk about numerical expressions, when you use them to solve word problems, and we're going to review a little bit with order of operations. First, when given a word problem, you will solve the word problem using a numerical expression. And just a review, remember you use your order of operations to solve numerical expressions. For example, Tyler walked 2 miles a day for the first week of his exercise plan. Then he walked 3 miles a day for the next 9 days. How many miles did he walk in all? Well, in this word problem, they give us some key words. First, they tell us that he walked 2 miles a day for a week. That would tell me that he walked 2 miles 7 days. So for each day, he walked the same amount. That would be repeated addition, also known as multiplication. And it goes on to say, then he walked 3 miles a day for the next 9 days. Again, he's walking 3 miles the same amount of times. Again, this is repeated addition, also known as multiplication. In the bottom, the question asks, how far did he walk in all? Remember, in all means we're going to add the first week and the 9 days distance. Using your order of operations, you would multiply first, copy the rest of the problem, multiply again, copy the rest of the problem, and you would see he walked a total of 41 miles. When you are writing numerical expressions to solve word problems, you need to remember that the 4 operations have 4 purposes or 4 actions. The purpose of addition is to basically put sums together, different sums together, or combine them. They'll give you keywords like added, plus, and sum. Subtraction, though, has a different purpose, and that is to find how much more or how much less, also known as the difference. Sometimes they'll use minus. Multiplication has a different purpose. You will put together groups of equal parts. Remember, Tyler was running 2 miles for 7 days. That is multiplication. They may say product or groups of in those word problems. And finally, division. Division also has another purpose, and its purpose is to separate a total into different equal parts. A lot of times they use the keyword quotient. Now, multiplication and division are special operations because these can be written in different ways. Multiplication, you can use the times symbol, a dot, or a number with another number beside it in parentheses. This means multiplication. Division also looks 2 ways. It may be the standard division symbol, or it may be written as a numerator and a denominator or fraction form. It is the same thing as saying 20 divided by 10. Another example of using numerical expressions to solve a word problem, Paul's father bought 8 pizzas and 12 bottles of juice for his class party. Each pizza cost $9 and each bottle of juice was $2. Paul's father paid with a $100 bill. How much change did he get back? I went through and highlighted some key words in this problem. And I also identified the quantities. 8 pizzas were $9 each. That is repeated addition or multiplication. 12 bottles that were $2 each. Again, repeated addition or multiplication. We have to first find out the total using our order of operations and then subtract that total from the $100 bill that Paul's father paid with, finding that his change was $4.